In this video, we are going to perform the next transaction in asset accounting, that is transfer of assets in SAP. That means transferring the value of the asset to another asset. To transfer the value of one asset to another asset, let's create a new second asset in the system. In our learning activity, let's create a new sub-asset under the same main asset, that is 3000. From this screen, I'll now enter the T code as /NAS11 and press enter so that the system will navigate us to the new window. Here in this screen, we have to enter the asset number. For the main asset number, I'll enter as 3000, company code as APCC and number of similar sub-assets as 1 and hit the enter key. As soon as I hit the enter key, the system will navigate us to the new window. Here in this screen, we will change the description as bike KA89N2345 and enter the capitalization date as 1st of April 2017. If you observe here, all the remaining fields are copied from the main asset 3000. So I'll now click on the save button to save the changes. Now a new sub-asset is created. So let's perform the transfer of value from one asset to another asset. For that, I'll enter /n in the command field and press enter so that this will take me to the SAP Easy Access screen. From here, I'll use the menu path. So from SAP Easy Access, I'll go to Accounting, Financial Accounting, Fixed Assets, Posting, Transfer. Under Transfer, I'll double click on Transfer within the company code. Or else, you can always use the T code to perform this transaction, that is ABUMN. What is the transaction code? It is ABUMN. When I double click on transfer with the company code, the system will navigate us to the new window. Now a new screen is opened. Since we are transferring the values of asset from sub-asset 3 to sub-asset 4, so here for the asset field, enter the main asset as 3000 and the sub-asset number as 3. Now for the document date, posting date and the asset value date field, enter the today's date. Here for the text field, I will mention the comments as asset transfer. Now here at the below screen, enter the existing asset to which the asset value to be transferred. So enter the main asset as 3000 and sub-asset as 4 and press the enter key. Guys, we can also create a new asset by selecting the new asset button here as well. Here, I'll now just click on the save button to save the changes. When I click on the save button, we will get the message as asset transaction posted with the document number ABCC42. That means the asset transfer is complete. Now to verify the posting, I'll again switch to existing screen of the Asset Explorer and I'll click on refresh button. Now observe carefully. For the asset 3000 and the sub-asset 3, under the planned values book depreciation, we can see all the fields as blank. Yes, for the asset 3000 and the sub-asset 3, under the planned values book depreciation, we can see all the fields as blank. If you observe, under the window transaction, we can now see the transaction type as 320320 and its description as in retirement transfer current year acquisition. That means we have transferred the asset value from sub-asset 3 to sub-asset 4 and the system has automatically closed the sub-asset 3. Now click on the posted values tab. You can see the status as posted for period 1 because we have created the depreciation run as period 1 in the previous video. Now what I'll do is I'll change the asset number sub-asset 4 and press enter. Now if you see, the asset acquisition value is 100,000. What it is? It is 100,000. Now here, if you observe under the depreciation posted or planned, the system shows the period information from 2. Because we had already created the depreciation run for the period 1 for the sub-asset 3. Got it? Good. In this way, we transfer the value of one asset to another asset.